Developing a Millionaire Mindset, a step-by-step guide. Did you know that your mindset can be the key difference between living paycheck to paycheck and becoming a millionaire? Imagine if you could unlock the secrets of how millionaires think and act. Let's get started. Step 1. Understand the power of belief. Your mindset shapes your reality. When you truly believe you can achieve millionaire status, your brain starts working towards making it happen. It's like planting a seed in your mind. With the right nurturing, it grows into a tree that bears fruit. Belief is the foundation on which you build your financial success. Think about this. Successful people are not necessarily smarter or more talented than others. They simply believe in their abilities and persist until they achieve their goals. Start by affirming positive beliefs about money and success daily. Replace negative thoughts with ones of, "How can I afford this?" This shift in thinking opens up possibilities and solutions that you might not have seen before. Step 2. Set clear, achievable goals. Millionaires don't leave their financial success to chance. They plan meticulously and set specific, actionable goals. Imagine you're building a house. You wouldn't start without a blueprint, right? The same goes for your financial future. Start by defining what financial success looks like for you. Do you want to save a certain amount of money? Pay off debt? Start a business? Once you have a clear vision, break it down into smaller, manageable steps. For instance, instead of vaguely wishing to be rich, set a goal like, "I will save $10,000 in the next year by saving $834 each month." This gives you a clear target and a timeline to work with. Writing down your goals and reviewing them regularly keeps you focused and motivated. It's also helpful to track your progress and adjust your plan as needed. Remember, goals are not set in stone. They can evolve as you grow and your circumstances change. Step 3. Invest in yourself. The most valuable asset you have is you. Millionaires understand this and continuously invest in their own growth and development. This means gaining new knowledge, developing new skills, and staying ahead of the curve in your field. Start by reading books on finance, business, and personal development. Attend seminars and workshops, and don't hesitate to take courses that can enhance your skill set. Surround yourself with people who inspire you to grow and challenge you to be better. This could be mentors and coaches. Consider the story of Warren Buffett, one of the richest people in the world. He attributes much of his success to his voracious reading habit. He spends about 80% of his day reading and learning. Investing in yourself pays the best interest, as the knowledge and skills you acquire can open doors to new opportunities and increase your earning potential. Step 4. Build multiple income streams. Relying on a single source of income is risky in today's fast-paced world. Millionaires understand the importance of diversifying their income streams to build wealth and ensure financial stability. Start by identifying your skills and interests that could become additional income sources. This could be a side hustle, freelance work, or even a small business. Look into passive income opportunities such as investments in stocks, real estate, or peer-to-peer lending. The idea is to have money coming in from various avenues so that you're not dependent on one single source. For instance, you might have a primary job that covers your living expenses, while your side hustle brings in extra cash for savings or investments. Over time, as you build and diversify your income streams, you'll find that your financial security increases, and your path to wealth becomes more stable and less stressful. Step 5. Practice financial discipline. Managing your money wisely is crucial for building and maintaining wealth. This involves budgeting, saving, and making the right financial decisions consistently. Start by creating a detailed monthly budget that tracks all your income and expenses. This will help you see where your money is going and identify areas where you can cut back. Allocate a portion of your income to savings and investments before spending on non-essentials. This practice, often referred to as paying yourself first, ensures that you're consistently building your financial reserves. Avoid unnecessary expenses and focus on long-term financial goals. It might be tempting to indulge in luxury items or impulse purchases, But financial discipline means making choices that align with your bigger financial picture. Remember, the goal is not just to earn money but to keep it and make it grow. Financial discipline is the key to turning your income into lasting wealth. Developing a millionaire mindset is a journey, not a destination. By following these steps, you're setting yourself up for success. Remember, it's all about belief, hard work, and smart decisions. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and subscribe for more insights on building wealth and achieving your financial dreams. Keep pushing forward, and until next time, stay motivated and stay wealthy.